Starting around 02 July 2023, Nexo certainly is exchanging at 64 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.35% in very most recent 60 minutes, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Nexo generally has an in every practical sense, all-out market cap of $357,378,107, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,847,078, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. This generally makes Nexo, especially positioning at 94 in the digital money market, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Nexo cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Nexo truly be for the most part worth in 2023? Which sort of is very critical. Is Nexo an especially wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2023? Will Nexo cost especially outperform its record-breaking in every way that really matters? High in an unpretentious way. These in every way that really matters are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Nexo, value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Nexo cost fundamentally is supposed to generally cross a truly normal value level of 76 cents, the normal pretty least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the extremely current year, ought to in a real sense be 74 cents. Genuinely, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, Nexo can sort of arrive at a very most extreme value level of 85 cents, or so they certainly thought. Nexo value figure July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Nexo is gauged to really be at around a truly least worth of 61 cents in a sort of significant manner. The Nexo value worth can arrive at an essentially limit of 69 cents. With the really normal exchanging worth of 67 cents in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Nexo, value conjecture August 2023. The Nexo cost for August 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at a by and large least worth of 67 cents, while the truly greatest estimated cost explicitly is around 73 cents in a significant manner. The typical cost for Nexo explicitly is by and large anticipated to basically reach 69 cents in August 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Nexo value forecast September 2023. The cost of Nexo is especially anticipated to generally reach at a fundamentally least worth of 68 cents in September 2023 in a sort of significant way. The Nexo cost could really arrive at a greatest worth of 75 cents, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of 71 cents all through 2023, or so they generally thought. Nexo value figure October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Nexo sort of is supposed to really arrive at a for the most part least value worth of 69 cents, or so they truly thought. The Nexo cost could in a real sense arrive at an all things considered, most extreme cost of 79 cents, with the typical cost around 72 cents, which by and large is genuinely huge. Nexo value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Nexo especially is gauged to be at around an especially least worth of 71 cents. Or so they in every practical sense thought. The Nexo value worth can especially arrive at an exceptionally limit of 82 cents, with the very normal exchanging worth of 74 cents in United States dollars, which really is very critical. Nexo, value figure December 2023. The Nexo cost for December 2023 may generally arrive at a very least worth of 74 cents, while the especially most extreme estimated cost by and large is around 85 cents. Which essentially is very critical. The genuinely normal cost for Nexo in a real sense is really anticipated to by and large reach 76 cents in December 2023. So Nexo, value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Nexo cost fundamentally is supposed to explicitly cross a very normal value level of 76 cents. The normal pretty least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to for the most part be 74 cents, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo essentially passed value examination in every practical sense. Recent hours, the crypto generally has been in every practical sense diminished by 0.98% in its especially current worth, which certainly is genuinely critical. Assuming we for the most part think about the really current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap essentially is additionally down. So assuming we sort of look at the fundamentally current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down, which especially is very critical. Nexo in every practical sense is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, showing the way that the Nexo value worth can sort of arrive at a genuinely limit of 69 cents, with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of 67 cents in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. The Nexo basically is down to nearly 1.56% over the most recent 7 days, which especially is genuinely huge. The coin by and large is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for extremely past not many days. The coin could essentially have areas of strength for truly at the same time. We don't fundamentally feel that it would a productive resource in essentially present moment, showing how the very normal cost for Nexo truly is essentially anticipated to reach 76 cents in December 2023. So Nexo, value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Nexo value sort of is supposed to explicitly cross a by and large normal value level of 76 cents. The normal essentially least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the in every practical sense current year ought to be 74 cents, which generally is very huge. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo diminished by 11.291%. Wiping out an incredible pretty normal amount of $0.081 from its genuinely current worth. So will Nexo cost basically outperform its unequaled high, which for the most part is genuinely critical. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be a decent basically purchase a potential open door for genuinely fast venture, exhibiting that in the event that we certainly look at the very current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap truly is likewise down. So in the event that we by and large think about the extremely current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap essentially is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 24.20%, and the cost truly circled from an in every way that really matters, least lovely normal cost of 79 cents to greatest, by and large normal cost of 86 cents, in the essentially beyond 90 days, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Nexo certainly is somewhere near 13.76%. With the genuinely greatest really normal cost of the coin, most certainly was around 67 cents, and the by and large least fundamentally normal cost of generally was around 65 cents, in for the most part beyond 4 months in a significant manner. Nexo value estimate 2023 facts. What will generally be Nexo sort of worth in 2023? Or so they really thought. The Nexo cost is sketched to for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest degree of 85 cents.